is Matsi. I'm a youth facilitator. In Lesotho, there is a quite number of adolescent girls and young women who are faced with challenges. The challenges, we encountered them during the facilitated film screenings that we have been contacting with them. They include the lack of access to information. Youth here in Lesotho, they don't know how to access information relating to the issues of HIV and AIDS, together with sexual and reproductive health and rights. They also do not know where to whom to meet with when they need such information. So as Sesotho Media, we are working with the partners in these communities where we ensure that these youth, they get information in the communities that they are based with. And we also ensure that they get the services that they would love to get as young people. Because mostly you see that the young people, they are very vulnerable and they start to get infected to HIV and AIDS due to the challenges that have been mentioned. Some of them, they drop out of school. Some of them, they start to be pregnant, which is the high challenge that we see lately. And we know every time where there is an issue of HIV and AIDS, it goes with unplanned pregnancies.